Hi, very good afternoon all. Hope you all had lunch and executive lunch. Stomach is very full now. When stomach is full, no, we'll get somewhat so much of peace. With this that peace, no, we used to say thanks to the one who has cooked, and always we have this attitude, no, being so grateful of whatever we are receiving, saying thanks very often. Thanks saying is the one way to acknowledge that our heart is really filled, saying thanks often. Who must be the first thanks receiver? It is so mystical to know how we born or how we jenichom, no, shined. To our knowledge, we worship Amma, right? Amma we used to worship, and the parents, Appa, and the national leader. This is what I used to follow. National leader Mohandas Karamchand Mahatma Gandhi. So we used to worship because they are given a really freedom breath. That's very important. No, oxygen is there, but oxygen breath is very important. No, freedom breath is very important. No? So we worship our Amma and we worship the national leader, but we fail to actually worship the main and very important person. No, that's no. Actually, the Big Bang theory says that world has come from big burst. We used to say the nature, no, nature. That is what today's topic that I am going to discuss. Nature. It is not like usual thing to explain about nature. I am very consciously speaking about the nature. Why we need to worship the nature? Why we need to worship the nature? Because nature has to be worshipped. Think deeply, no, think deeply. Okay, our Amma has given life, and before Amma, national leader really fought for us through the non-violence. Because of us, they have received so much of what to say, the bleedings and hurts and everything, no. So we need to worship Amma and as well as what the national leaders. Why we need to worship the earth, or how we should show our gratefulness and our thanks to the earth. See, we are learning, and now who is very reason for our learning? That's our Appa Amma who has given education, good education to us. So from the learning, we are earning salary and we are making our family happy, and marriage and child, everybody is happy. Amma is happy, everyone is happy. And by our earning, we supposed to pay tax, income tax, and some other house tax and other indirect taxes we used to pay, no, so that the country is happy. So these two guys are very happy, no, Amma and the family, and what, no, what to say, the government uh, who has given a freedom of breath to the India. Everybody is happy. Everybody's souls are happy. What about Earth? Earth should be very happy. Should be very chill now, because it is the one really has given life to us, right? For our Amma and also for us. Should be very good. For that, what we used to say, no? See, what we should do now, there is a one tagline, no? Kudi kudiye kedukum. It's not about alcohol, but it is all about kudi kudiye kedukum means what? When we are going for constructing something, we are going to deforest something, right? Kudi kudiye kedukum, which means when you deforest, no, your family won't get what to say, lack of oxygen and other thing. See, before days, there are so many human resource production, but still living happily, adjusting each other. Now, what is happening? Now, everybody going for independent family or nuclear family. but still finding a home. That time so much of human resource production, now two are single, but still we don't find any place to live. We are going to deforest the same. That's worst to hear. See, actually, due to the insufficiency of the electricity, we are going to produce more power by using solar project or thermal project. Again, by doing such project, no, the birds are coming. The birds hit. The birds once it hit the bird, no, the bird dies. It does not cultivate or it did not help to cultivate one more tree. Obviously, the wind is not coming. There is no tree, there is no wind. So there is no wind. We are going to what expecting for the electricity, which produces wind or which produces air to us through the fan. It's like a worst thing and awkward thing to say. By chopping down the trees, we are chopping down the air or cutting the air, stopping the air. Now we are asking to create projects. So we want artificial life. And there is no proper disposal of anything, no. In both the two bins, no. One is small bin, another one is big bin. In a small bin, no, we used to throw something, no, dust, any dust which is coming, no, we are throw it, no. In some dust will be properly disposed, and some dust would be scattered below the bins. That is the problem. Likewise, in a big bin, no, when you're going outside, no, there is a big bin. We are throwing the dust because it is a bin, because it is dust, no. So we are throwing like anything, and fail to know who is actually going to involve in the human resource, the one who is going to involve in the same. Again, the plastics, which is stopping the underwater. If we are cleaning very daily, there is no space for the mosquito to stay. Again, we are buying electricity, bat to fire the mosquito. Again, it causes harm to the nature. Plant, small plant. One thing is what we should not do. Another thing is what we should do. Plant. A small plant is okay. A very small plant is okay. Sapling is a very beautiful job. No? Very important life job. This one, planting. Stomach is filled because of the nature only, or nature eating things, goat or what, hen, or we say fish. Be so grateful to the one who has given O2, which means oxygen, H2O, water, and food. We are so indebted to everyone, no? Why don't we give the indebted to the nature? That's very important, no? Nature is not, after all, I am again saying, I am consciously speaking, we need to give a very good life to the upcomers. Please plan something. At least before we are going to die, we leave a very good earth to our upcomers. And let the earth will send off very beautifully to the heaven. See, it lifted us and it lifted our mother. See, one power cut will make ourselves to realize what is happening. Wind, sound, one power cut, one day power cut, a very chill wind sound, bird sound, children playing sound outside, and once the home theater is switched off, we understand the rain actually raining. Cellar sound. Once power has come, no, then we understand that we are realizing that we are so far lived machine life. Plant the trees. It's very important job. A small plant is okay. Maybe it costs around 50 rupee or 30 rupee. Plant in your terrace. See, first I'm saying, first our gratefulness, first thanks to the earth. பூமி தாய் தான், நேச்சர் தான் ஃபஸ்ட்டு. இட்ஸ் வெரி இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் திங். ஃபஸ்ட்டு நேச்சர், அடுத்து பேரண்ட்ஸ், அடுத்து நேஷ்னல் லீடர், அடுத்து தான் காட். ஃபஸ்ட்டு ஒன் இஸ் நேச்சர். யாருக்கா எதாவது பண்ணணுமே, நம்ம ஏதாவது தேங்க்ஸ் சொல்லணுமே, நம்ம இப்படி இருக்கோமே, ஃபஸ்ட்டு நேச்சர். அது எப்படி பண்ணலாம்? அவாய்ட் டீஃபாரஸ்டேஷன், encourage afforestation or proper disposal, as I said, no daily clean planting. இதாக பண்ணி ஆகணும். இந்த பூமியில் நம்ம பிறந்திருக்கோம்ல, we are born in the earth, no, we are born in the earth. அதுக்கு ஏதாவது நம்ம பண்ணி ஆகணுமே. வியூ ப்ராட்லி ஃபஸ்ட்டு அப்பா அம்மா, அப்புறம் வியூ ப்ராட்லி. ஓகே, நேஷ்னல் லீடர் we have given, and earth is very important, no, was given life for this soul. We should do something, no. Plant, kindly plant, please move and plant something. Encourage your child to do some planting work in Sundays, not all the day Sunday. One plant, kindly do it. Surely the earth will send off us beautifully to the heaven. We live a very good earth to the upcomers. Again, I'm consciously speaking, plant. Again I'm saying, first one is what? Earth, and second one is national leader, and third only appa amma, and the next one is called what? The so called God. Be so grateful and thanks to the earth very first. Earth is the one first should be worshipped, and first should be saying thanks. Thank you, love you all, bye.